Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me. Also, I'm going to be taking down my Halloween stuff because it's still up and it's November 3rd. So I think it's time to get rid of the Halloween stuff and get ready for Christmas. So hopefully this video helps motivate you guys to clean, to get your Halloween stuff down if you have not got it down like me. Just hopefully it helps you guys get shit done. So first of all, I'm going to take down all of my Halloween shit. I still have it up. And it's November 3rd and I still have it up. So I'm going to take this down today because I just need to get rid of it and start getting some Christmas shit up. I'm wearing my Michael Myers top. Okay. Let's go and take down this Halloween shit. Taking down all of my Halloween decorations, but the stickers that I had up here peeled off the paint in some spots, but I'm just gonna end up painting anyway, so whatever. Now I'm going to spray down my glass because it's dusty, and then I have all of my decor to put back up until Christmas, so yeah, I'm gonna go and do that next. So let's go and do that. Back up on my shelf, all my decor, and then I have all my Halloween stuff. This stuff actually goes back in my bedroom because my bedroom is pretty much Halloween. Most of the stuff that I'm putting away is that. Happy that I got my Halloween stuff put away and everything back up on my shelf until Christmas. Then it will be all Christmas. So go into my office because I really need to clean my makeup vanity because it's very dusty and it just needs to be clean. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back in here, clean up a little bit in here, go in my room, the bathroom. So
make the video long to help me, and I make me work, but you also have responsibilities. And I'm not cleaning the shower, fuck that. I'm cleaning now.
So I just finished making my bed. Now I'm going to put all my Halloween stuff back in my room, put it back in its spot where it belongs. So, and I'm sweating. I am hot. Clean with me video. I hope that it did help motivate you guys to get some of your shit done, because these type of videos motivate me too. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.